हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पीएमएस टेस्टिंग लेबोरेटरी। तो आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं हाउ टू परफॉर्म द टोल्यून एक्सट्रैक्ट टेस्ट ऑन कार्बन मास्टर बैच। सो व्हाट इज टोल्यून एक्सट्रैक्ट? It is nothing but the impurities that contain in the carbon master batch such as oil, waxes. So how much are the percentage of those impurities that we have to calculate with this test? So let's get started. So here I have taken a filter paper of size around 125 mm diameter. You can also use the thimble instead of this paper. Here I am using this paper. You have to fold this paper likewise and again make one fold like this, and this small portion, keep this small portion and fold it like this. Same you have to do it in opposite direction. Again fold it, then one more fold, like this. Okay, now we have to weight this paper on weighing balance. First tear the balance. Now put the paper on weighing pan. So here it is 1.1157. So here I have taken the carbon master batch pellets. We have to take 2 to 5 gram of master batch. So here is around 4 grams of sample I have taken. Now just fold this. I'll show you the foldings. Here we also have to take the weight of thread. So here I have placed thread inside of it and let's check its weight. So it is around 0.1929 grams. Note down all these readings. Now we have to wrap these granules inside of this paper properly. For that, follow the lines of the folding of paper and fold it like this. Now we have to tie this paper with the help of this thread. We already have taken the weight of thread. Now just tie it. Now here our sample packet is ready. We have to take weight of this. First tear the balance and place this inside. So this is 5.7592. So this is W2, that is weight of paper plus sample plus thread, and which has come 5.75. Now it is let's see once again, 7582. So this is our Soxhlet test apparatus. We have to put this sample inside of this extractor, and this is the condensation unit. Here we have connected water inlet at this inlet side and the outlet is here at this side. We have to give continuous water supply to this condenser. Now let's keep the sample inside this extractor. Now we have to pour the toluene chemical inside of this. Here is the toluene. We have to fill this toluene in a amount that the extraction should get complete. So fill some of the toluene in this flask, the round flask over here, and some in this extractor. So half of the, you can fill it up to this level, but I already have filled a amount in this flask, so this is enough for the extraction. Now just start the heating. Keep it around 70 or 80. We have to keep this first. Let's keep this condenser over here. Okay. So we have to keep this extraction for 22 hours, and after 22 hours we have to take this sample out and take its weight on weighing balance. So here you can see the toluene had started evaporating. Now this will go in the paper form all the way through this tube and get condensed over here. You can see again it turned into the liquid form and get collected in this flask over here. If 70 to 80 heating range is not sufficient, then you can increase it. Here I have increased it up to 90. Here you can see the level in this tube is at this point. So as soon as it get reach over here, all this liquid fill in this flask will automatically get back to this bottom flask. So this is how the extraction process works. Now let's wait for one cycle. So here you can see the first extraction cycle is about to finish. Let's just continue it so that you can get complete view of extraction. See, now the liquid has started coming down and it is getting collected in this bottom flask. So at this time we can say that the one extraction cycle has completed. So this is how we have to continue the cycles for 22 hours. And after 22 hours, let's check what is our result. So here after 22 hours, we had taken out this sample from Soxhlet apparatus and had dried it in air oven at 105 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, and after that we took its weight. So here it has written 4.6430, that is the weight after extraction. Now let's see the calculation. Here you can see the WP is the weight of paper, WT is the weight of thread, W1 is the weight of paper plus thread, W2 is weight of sample plus paper plus thread, and W3 is the weight after extraction. So the formula for toluene extract is W2 minus W3 divided by W2 minus W1. So when we put all these values, here it has come the 25%. So we can say that the toluene extract in our master batch is 25%. Thank you.